Well, hey there everybody, Kaye here on my homestead, and I'm finally doing it. I am going to go and collect dandelion flowers, and I am going to make dandelion syrup. I believe it was in Idaho at my friend Teresa's that she gave me dandelion syrup instead of honey for my cacao. So I am going to go out and collect the flowers. I've been trying to do this for 4 years. I always get so busy in the spring, and I am busy now, but I can't wait another year. Are you helping? Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. You're so pretty. You're so pretty. Psst. That is a honeybee. That is a honeybee. Oh my goodness. Don't take all the dandelions, Kaye. Don't touch. Don't touch. Psst, psst. Psst, psst. You laid on a dandelion. Hey, no, 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 no. Hey, excuse me, can I have that dandelion? Excuse me. Okay, right where I'm picking. Poison ivy. And don't miss the little tiny ones either. Yeah. Another one. I almost can't believe it. 4 years here, I've hardly seen more than a half a dozen. This purple dead nettle is still looking good. I want to make some medicine out of that. Now I'm feeling really guilty. Okay, I discovered just a couple of these glorious little things. Isn't that pretty? I'm not going to be making any jelly with 5 little flowers. I remember they grow in this wetter area here. The grass is so deep it's hard to see them. There's 2. That's a pretty one. One. They can be violet to almost white. Oops. Don't drop it. You can see down in this long grass, these are the violets here. There's a whole carpet of them underneath, but This taller grass obscures them. There's one more. Nice little grouping of them in here. Very hard to see though. Well, we are back, and BJ followed me all the way, everywhere I went. She was right there. But I am tired of bending over. And it's been so long that my flowers are getting wilted in here. It doesn't look like that much, but I felt like I picked quite a bit. But I'm just shocked that I got so many blue violets. I'll give you a closer look. But I'm gonna go in and scrub. I'm still getting over my poison ivy. It was really bad around my wrist. This bone here is just like solid red. So I'm gonna go and scrub my hands. Then I'll wash these and come out, and we're gonna put the boiling water in. I can show you what the petals look like. I also need to sit at the table and just take the petals off too. But I'm gonna go wash my hands first. Hey, if you're not subscribed to my channel, I think you might enjoy it. You know, we do a lot of fun things here, and we talk about real life also, you know, from health and fitness and aging and all of that. So I hope you subscribe, click the bell for notifications, scroll down and click all so you won't miss an episode, and I'll be right back. Oh, cheers. I need some refreshing grape juice. This grape juice I made in my steam juicer, and of course I have a video for that, last year, and then I processed it and canned it, you know, so. When you don't want to go to the store, you just open something that you've preserved, and it's fantastic. Well, I'm going to separate the flowers from the stems, and I'm going to separate the violets from the dandelions, and that's going to take a minute. More than a minute. Okay, that took a minute. Actually, that took quite a long time. That's probably about a cup of the violets and probably close to 2 cups of the dandelion petals. And that's what's left over there. So I'm going to get this washed, and I'll be right back. BJ. Psst. Psst, psst. BJ. Spot. Get down. Okay, here we have it. They are washed and strained. And as you can see, these kind of poofed back out, and these kind of stayed in a clump, because these are, after all, these are just tiny little petals. These are the whole flower. I washed them in vinegar and water and rinsed them and strained them and squeezed out the water, and now I'm going to pour boiling water over the top. I'm going to kind of double the amount. They have a tendency to float, so I'm just going to put that much and let that sit overnight. I'm going to cover that. And I'm going to let that cool before I try to walk in the house with it. Okay, we'll see you tomorrow. Oh, wow. Mmm. Wow. Oh, that's fantastic. Almost the same color spectrum. Oh, very different flavor. Wow, that's good. Mmm. Mmm. Oh my goodness, that's so good. I could eat that on any kind of fresh fruit. Mmm. I was hoping it would be more than that. Which is why I didn't use a pint jar. But anyway, we're going to let that continue to cool. Let's see, this is the blue violet, purple violet. Perfect. Now I have to taste this. Mmm. Wow. This is going to be a great substitute for honey. Now you can put this in your refrigerator for up to a month. Of course, if you made a lot more, you could process it and put it on your shelf. I'll let these cool, put a lid on, and pop them in the refrigerator. Thanks so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next video.